Alright guys, here we go. Got the list done. There are all the motherfucking names. One lucky bastard will get their choice of the Brady or the Favre. I always forget to start this up first, so we got a new giveaway. We'll call this the shit. Loaded dice grand prize drawing. How's that sound? Okay, now we'll drop this list in there to show you there's 480 names. I assure you I checked my list twice. Found out who was naughty and nice. Kind of like Santa Claus. Right there. 480 entries. Flatland was Mr. Irrelevant. I think Eli was on the top spot. He bought the first spot and actually hit with that first spot. So we're going to find out dice roll. 7 rounds. Good luck. Let's get her. Round 1, Chris Gillum. Round 2, JP Lane. Round 3, Brian Caldwell. Round 4, Ferdy V. Derek Fischler. Round 5. Round 6, Mike Randler Jr. Final round, who's it going to be? Anthony Farrar with the big hit. Congratulations, Anthony. Let me know which one you want, buddy. Man, scroll all the way down here to get the link. Guys, as much as I hate to say it, I think Anthony about 2 or 3 spotted this son of a bitch too. Have a good one. Thanks for coming out.